guys. This is for our tradition. Oh!
Why are you shaking?
I'm not used to press my hands.
I'm not shaking it.
You are shaking. Come on.
It's hot. You got to slide. You okay?
What? I'm burnt, baby, I'm burnt.
It's literally cold water.
You know what?
What?
I'm calling a lawyer. I'm done with this shit.